Did you know? Did you know that you can multiply both sides of an equation in some circumstances by infinity and get those infinity to cancel out? Oh my god! I will say, here's the one thing I really hate about math education, and I think why everyone hates math is when you grow up, especially in America, in math. What they do is tell you you can't do something, and then the next year in math they say, well, you actually can, and here's how. But you can't do this stuff. And then the next year they're like, yeah, but you can't do this shit. Remember when you were young, you know what it was? You can only subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. That's it. 12 minus 20 doesn't exist. Don't even think that. Don't. Or you go to hell. It would bring out some sort of really scary thing. No one will ever marry you if you subtract 20 from 12. You can't do that. And then all of a sudden you hit 7th grade and they're like, negative numbers. And you're like, negative what the... Can I still get married? No, you subtracted in 6th grade. You can't do that. Why do they do that? Why is that the way... You can't, like, infinity's not a concept. We don't even deal with it. We just deal with big numbers. Then you hit college and they're like, now we're going to have a course called Infinity, where all we do is talk about infinity every day and we multiply everything by infinity. And then you know what I said? What happens if you subtract infinity from infinity? They're like, you can't do that. That doesn't even mean anything. And then I got a degree. God, I hate math. Why do people do that? Why do they do that? You know what the answer to what's infinity minus infinity? It depends. It really depends. It could be infinity, could be 0, could be a constant. Depends. I don't know. Can't be a negative number, though. Those aren't real.